Hi friends, let us learn how to delete a particular class in your Google Classroom. For that, go to the browser and type Google Classroom and click on Google Classroom and try to open your Google Classroom where you have created. For that, you have to select the mail ID through which you have created a Google Classroom. So now this is the classroom wherein you can see three different classes: class 6, class 9 and get started with online learning. These are the three classes right now in my Google Classroom. So here I want to delete one class, that is class 6. I am no more using that. So just click on the three dots and here 5 options. Out of 5 options you have to take archive. So by clicking on archive, the class is archived. So now you can see here only 2 classes are available in my Google Classroom now. So you want to see where the class 6 has gone. So by clicking on the 3 lines in the left corner, you will get opened in this window where you can see archived classes. Click on the archived classes and now you can see the deleted class 6 here. So right now I want to permanently delete this class. So click on the again on the 3 buttons on that particular class and select delete. So if you select copy, it will be copied, and if you select restore, again this class will appear in your Google Classroom. Right now I am not interested to restore, so I am clicking on delete button. So it will give a instruction that you will never get back this class. So you have to be clear when you are not at all going to use this class, then only you have to delete. So right now I am clicking on delete button. See here in the archived classes there is no archived classes. There are no classes archived. Before that there was class 6 one archived class, but now no archived classes. Then how to look at whether it is deleted in permanently or not? Go back to it and click on classes. This is the dashboard, our classroom, Google Classroom. See here, earlier it was with 3 classes. Now you can observe only class 9 and get started with online learning. These are the only 2 classes right now available in my Google Classroom. This is the way you can delete, archive, copy the classes. Thank you friends.